Welcome to the Universal Group of Institution, Bangalore. The Vadhavan Port Project, a major deep water port development in Palagar, Maharashtra, is set to become a significant asset for India's maritime infrastructure. With a project cost of 76,000 crore, its foundation stone will be laid by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Upon completion, it is expected to rank among the world's top 10 ports. Located approximately 12 kilometers from Vangaon railway station and well connected by road, Vadhavan Port will enhance India's logistic network, serving as a crucial hub in India Middle East Europe Economic Corridor (IMEC) and the International North-South Transportation Corridor (INSTC). These corridors will facilitate smoother trade routes between India, the Gulf, and Europe. The port will feature comprehensive infrastructure including 9 container terminals, multi-purpose berths, and specialized facilities for liquid cargo, RoRo, that is roll-on, roll-off operations, and the Coast Guard. The RoRo method, which allows vehicles to drive directly onto and off the vessel using ramps, will make the transport of wheeled cargo efficient and streamline maritime logistics. Vadhavan's port natural deep water capability will enable it to handle some of the largest ships globally, thereby significantly boosting India's maritime trade capacity. The project is expected to create around 1.2 million jobs both directly and indirectly and stimulate local industries such as fishing, seafood processing. Managed by the Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority and the Maharashtra Maritime Board through Vadhavan Port Project Limited, Vadhavan will be India's 13th major port under the Sagarmala initiative. It will be 3 times larger than the Jawaharlal Nehru port, making it India's biggest port and first offshore port under the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us.